okay.
Happy birthday to you.
How do I bring it here?
Happy birthday, dear Ray.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Where do I put the cake?
Come on, Ray, you have to blow out your own candle. Let's make a wish.
Yeah.
Let's let Arj film you. Let's Arj do our own film. Come here, Ray do his own filming and cake cutting. Alright, ready?
See ya.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip
Yeah.
hooray! Hooray! Thank you very much, Ray. Well done.
Who's going to do the distribution? Yeah. Excellent. Thank you.
You live on Facebook?
Everyone, thank you very much. That's my birthday starts today. We're going to carry on for the next 4 or 5 days. Can you see me in there, yeah? There's all the people around here. I love them. They're really, really good. And this is over here. Hi, Rayz. Hi, here.
He's a winner.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
I had the interview. You were talking to
Thank you. Someone is helping me with the cake. Shall I give you the plate then? Shall I give you the plate? There's lots of them there, yeah.
How we put it on a plate? How we put it on a plate?
Oh yeah. That's a happy birthday cake for Ray. Right, everyone. Okay, I'm here now. So we are in a Bhangra Christmas party here. So we are having a birthday cake with this lovely lady. She's helping me with distributing the cake. So I'm probably going to go and help her out as well. So thank you for watching. There you go. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for helping me out.